Greetings, crypto aficionados! Welcome back to Quantum Cactus, your ultimate destination for all things crypto. Today, we're plunging headfirst into the thrilling realm of LayerZero AIRDROP. Let's go! Let's kick things off with Stargate Finance, a key player developed by LayerZero. Why is this important, you ask? Well, it's potentially a crucial step to qualify for LayerZero AIRDROP. Let's break it down. Now, let's dive deeper into the first crucial step of this exciting journey. It all begins with acquiring some STG tokens, and the best place to do that? Look no further than SushiSwap, especially on the Polygon network. A strategic move to keep those pesky fees at bay. Once you've secured your STG tokens, it's time to embark on the next phase, the Stake tab. Here, the real magic unfolds. By staking your STG tokens, you're not just participating, you're gaining access to VSTG, your golden ticket to unlocking substantial voting power within the protocol. Now, when it comes to staking, it's essential to choose your amount and duration wisely. These decisions directly impact the amount of STG you'll earn, so make sure to strategize accordingly. Once you've got your tokens all set up, it's time to make your voice heard in the Stargate Finance community. Whether there are active proposals or not, your participation in Stargate Snapshot is crucial. Even if there isn't an ongoing discussion, don't fret. Simply hit the bell on a closed proposal, and you'll be the first to know when the next one comes along. Your engagement matters, so stay tuned for opportunities to shape the future of Stargate Finance. Loving the insights? Hit that subscribe button and ring the bell for more crypto wisdom. Trust me, you don't want to miss out on our upcoming content. Back to business. In Stargate Finance, our next move is bridging between networks. Head to the Bridge tab, pick your token, confirm, and voila! Frequent bridging ups your airdrop chances. Now, let's explore the next exciting step in our journey. SushiSwap's cross-swap feature, turbocharged by the might of LayerZero. This feature allows you to effortlessly swap tokens between different networks with just a few clicks. Picture it as a crypto express lane, where you select your tokens, specify your networks, and hit the swap button. It's a seamless and efficient way to navigate the crypto landscape, powered by the incredible capabilities of LayerZero, making complex transactions as easy as pie. Before we dive into the nitty-gritty of maximizing your chances for that LayerZero airdrop, let's take a moment to explore what LayerZero really is and why it's causing waves in the crypto world. LayerZero is not just another cryptocurrency, it's an entire ecosystem designed to facilitate seamless communication between different blockchain networks. Think of it as the bridge connecting isolated islands in the vast sea of cryptocurrencies. Blockchain networks have been thriving individually, each with its own unique features and strengths. However, they've often operated in isolation, making it challenging to exchange value and data between them. This is where LayerZero steps in. LayerZero's primary mission is to break down these barriers and create a more interconnected crypto landscape. It's like enabling different languages to communicate effortlessly. This interoperability is the future of blockchain technology. And here's the exciting part. LayerZero is gearing up for a major airdrop. This airdrop could be your chance to score some valuable crypto assets. And the steps we've discussed today will play a crucial role in making you eligible for these rewards. But before we say goodbye, make sure to check out the video description below. There, you'll discover a link to a treasure trove of dApps seamlessly integrated with LayerZero. For the ultimate advantage, focus your attention on the bridges. They're the secret sauce of blockchain connectivity. Thanks for tuning in, crypto enthusiasts. Your support keeps us going. Stay tuned for our next video, where we'll continue to unravel the mysteries of the crypto world. Until then, happy trading, and we'll catch you in the next episode.